you are going to love the 2018 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, fog lights, security system, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, power driver's seat. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.